Hello, super scientists, and welcome back to A Science Job. Today we are going to take a closer look at some living things. Our target skill for today is I can identify and describe the basic needs of animals. So let's take a closer look. All animals have 5 basic needs: food, water, and air are the first 3 basic needs that all animals need to have to survive. So think about some animals that you know. How do they get food? Lots of animals get their food from trees and plants that grow. Some animals eat other animals as their food. How do they get water? Lots of animals drink waters from lakes or streams, like you can see in this picture here. How do animals get air? Lots of animals get air by taking a deep breath, just like we would. But how do animals like fish get air? Animals that live in the ocean or in water, like fish, use gills to get oxygen. Gills are a body part that these animals have to get oxygen from the water around them. So this is how animals, like fish, get air or oxygen. The next basic need that all animals have to survive is shelter. A shelter is a place where an animal can be safe. So many animals build shelter for themselves. Like in these pictures, we can see that a beaver has built in itself a shelter. This shelter is called a dam to keep them safe inside from weather or other animals outside. Many animals may find shelters. Like bears in the wintertime, go and find caves to sleep in to protect themselves from outside. The last basic need that all animals have to survive is space. Animals need space so that they can grow bigger. Animals also need space so that they can build shelters. Animals need space so that they can find food, whether they need to hunt for their food or whether they need to find it in the nature. They need space so that they can find food and water. So those are the 5 basic needs all animals have: food, water, air, shelter, and space. Now it is your turn to read about what animals need in Lesson 2. After you have finished reading on those pages, you can do page 102, 103, and 104 to practice. Have fun, scientists!